Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about first PUC physics annual exam blueprint. As we already know that there is a 100 mark for your annual exam. In that 30 mark is distributed to practical section and 70 mark is for annual theory exam. Today I am going to discuss about annual exam blueprint for physics paper, that too first PUC. In that we know that totally 70 marks is there. That total 70 marks is distributed in different sections. Okay, those are four sections mainly known as section A, section B, section C and section D, and you may also call it as part A, part B, part C and part D. Okay, here in part A we are going to get MCQ questions, means multiple choice questions. In that there are total 15 questions are there. Here all questions are compulsory. We have to answer all questions. There is no choosing or extra questions for this part. And also in that section only, part A section, one more part is there, that is fill in the blanks. In short form it is called as FIB, fill in the blank. Okay, here also there are 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. We have to answer all questions here. Total 5 questions. And this completes part A section and comes to the part B. Here we are getting short answer type questions. Okay, short answers. Each question carrying 2 mark. Okay, here there are totally 9 questions are there. In that 9 questions we have to answer any 5 questions. Means out of 9 we have to answer any 5 questions. And part C section, there we are getting 3 mark questions. They are also known as short answer type questions. Each question carrying 3 mark. Here also we are having 9 questions totally. In that 9 questions we have to answer any 5 questions. Okay, here also 4 extra optional questions are there. And next section, part D. Here we are getting 5 mark, totally 5 mark type questions. In that 5 mark type is again split into 2 parts, that is LA. LA means long answers, means derivation type questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Here totally including part A and part B of physics subject textbooks, totally 6 questions are there. Part A from 3 questions from part A section, 3 questions from part B section, totally 6 questions. In that you have to answer any 3 questions. Okay, here also 3 extra questions are there. And again sub part in a part D, that is numerical problems. These questions also are of 5 mark questions. Here also totally 4 questions. These 4 questions are included from part A and part B textbook. In that 4 questions you have to answer any 2 questions. Okay, here next we will discuss about chapter wise preference. As we know that the number of teaching hours and number of allotted marks will decide the preference of that chapter to the annual exams. If any chapter having more teaching hours, automatically that chapter having more contribution in your annual exam. If any chapter having less teaching hours, it means from that chapter you are going to get less questions or less number of marks to the annual exam. Here there are totally 14 chapters are there. Previous year another one chapter is there, physical world. That chapter has been deleted to this year. Okay, that's why the total chapters are 14. First chapter is units and measurement. Here the number of hours is 3 hours, teaching hours 3, and allotted marks 3. In that you are going to get one MCQ question and one 2-mark question. Okay, totally 3-mark questions from this chapter, units and measurement. And from second chapter, that is motion in a straight line. In that total teaching hours is 7 and allotted mark is 6. Here 6 mark is distributed as long answer, means derivation type question 1 and 1 MCQ questions. Next, third chapter, motion in a plane. Here total number of teaching hours is 13, allotted marks is 12. Okay, in that chapter you are going to get one MCQ question, one FIB questions. FIB means fill in the blank type questions, and one 3-mark question and one numerical problem questions. Okay, and one long answer question. Next, fourth chapter, laws of motion. From this chapter total teaching hours is 13, total allotted marks is 12, 2 MCQ questions and 1 2-mark questions, short answer type, and 1 short answers of 3 mark and 1 numerical problem. And next chapter, work, energy and power. Total hours 12, total mark 11, 1 MCQ, 1 short answer of 3-mark question and 1 2-mark question. Okay, next chapter is system of particle. System of particle and rigid body. Total hours 11, total mark 11, 1 2-mark question and 1 5-mark question. ST means split type of questions, means if a 5-mark question is there, that 5-mark preference will be divided into 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3 or 4 plus 1. Like that it can be splitted by the decision of question paper setting person. And 1 3-mark question and 1 MCQ questions. Next chapter is gravitation. 10 hours, 9 mark, 1 MCQ, 1 fill in the blank, 1 2-mark question. And next, mechanical properties of solids. 4 teaching hours, 4 allotted marks. Okay, 1 MCQ questions, 1 3-mark questions, short answer. Next, mechanical properties of fluids. Total teaching hours 5, total allotted mark 5. 1 MCQ, 1 FIB, fill in the blank, 1 3-mark question. Next, thermal properties of matter. 11 hours, 11 mark, 1 MCQ, 1 2-mark question, 1 3-mark question, 1 5-mark question, numerical problem. Next, thermodynamics. Total allotted teaching hours 8 and allotted marks 8. 1 2-mark question, 1 split type question, the 2 long answers. And next chapter is kinetic theory. Kinetic theory, 5 hours and 5 mark, 1 FIB, 1 MCQ and 1 3 mark question. And next, oscillations, 8 hours, 8 marks, 1 MCQ, 1 short answer 2 mark and 1 numerical problem 5 mark. Next, last chapter, waves, total allotted hours 10 and total allotted marks 10. 1 MCQ, 1 fill in the blank, 3 mark question 1, 5 mark question 1, that too long answer. This is the at present blueprint of first PUC annual exam physics 2023 and 24. Okay, thank you.